The Gemini Era, Google's vision for your inbox. Google is transforming Gmail from a simple communication tool into an AI-powered personal assistant. As email volumes reach record highs, the goal is no longer just sending messages, but helping users manage the overwhelming flow of information. Powered by the new Gemini 3 model, these features focus on three pillars: comprehension, writing, and prioritization. 1. AI Overviews, searching with context. The most significant change is the introduction of AI Overviews within Gmail. Similar to how Google Search now provides AI-generated summaries, Gmail can now synthesize information across your entire inbox. Thread summaries. Instead of scrolling through dozens of back-and-forth replies, Gemini provides a concise summary of key points at the top of long threads. This is rolling out to all users for free. Natural language queries. For premium subscribers, Google AI Pro and Ultra, you can now ask your inbox specific questions in plain English. For example, asking, "What was the quote from the plumber last year?" will prompt Gemini to scan your history and provide the answer directly, rather than just showing a list of keyword-matched emails. 2. The AI Inbox, a personalized briefing. Google is testing a new AI Inbox tab that moves away from the traditional chronological list. Smart Prioritization. It uses AI to identify VIPs, contacts you message frequently or have established relationships with, and surfaces their emails first. Actionable tasks. It extracts to-dos from your messages, highlighting things like appointment reminders, upcoming deadlines, or bills that need payment. Security. Google emphasizes that this analysis happens securely on-device / within their private infrastructure, maintaining standard privacy protections. 3. Writing tools, from drafts to polished. The suite of writing tools is becoming more accessible and sophisticated. Help Me Write. Previously restricted, this tool is now available to all users for free. It allows you to draft entire emails from a simple text prompt. Contextual suggested replies, moving beyond generic "Thanks" or "Received." These new suggestions use the context of the conversation to offer one-click responses that match your personal tone and style. Proofread. Available for premium subscribers, this feature goes beyond basic spell check to refine the professional tone, clarity, and style of your drafts. Availability and rollout. Free features, AI-powered thread summaries, Help Me Write, and enhanced, suggested replies are rolling out globally to all users. Premium features, natural language inbox searching, Ask Gmail, and advanced, proofread tools require a Google AI Pro or Ultra subscription. Timeline. Most features are rolling out now, starting in the US and English, with a major update coming next month that will allow Help Me Write to pull context from other Google apps like Docs and Calendar. The takeaway. Google's update signals a shift toward intelligent curation. By automating the reading of long threads and the drafting of routine replies, Gmail aims to reduce inbox fatigue and turn the email experience into a curated daily briefing rather than a never-ending list of chores.